Them know them done. Give me a minute, guy. My soon let you in the box. We have to play one song. Show wait. We don't put up a green art. Where green art? Green art.
In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour.
Where green art them there?
Vote for Labour. Tell your neighbor to vote for
Nomination tomorrow. That go good.
Just vote for Labour. Tell them vote for Labour. That's right. Me and my neighbor voting for Labour. Tell them make we vote for Labour. In this election, tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Why? We are the government. Going back to Parliament.
Them can't stop it.
Labour Party we love the most. And them alone again people. Tell them again, vote for Labour. Problem make we vote for Labour. Hands and hearts and vote for Labour. Brothers and sisters.
Guys, if you do say third term, put up the green art. Where green art them there?
That's real. I bet touch Jamaica. I bright young leader. Tell your neighbor we vote for Labour. Everybody vote for Labour. Tell them why. Our leader is a young man. We can depend to lead us home to victory. A new Jamaica we want to see. Jamaica Labour Party. A bright young leader. Vote for Labour. Vote for Labour. Knock up your neighbor. Vote for Labour. Everybody vote for Labour. Take home the victory. Jamaica Labour Party. We are one on to the victory.
What do you mean?
And take it home one more time. To vote JLP. Voting sweet.
Governmental politics. Yeah.
Tower, labor rights.
If you live in a
Governmental
glass house,
Governmental
without
politics.
your stone. Boy,
Oh, I want to with my party.
oh, people not to love self. Yourself. Oh, one of them.
Me after the labor rights.
After the
After the labor rights.
If I want labor right from me,
And me. Sure say me.
Body
You say me. They want labor rights. Me are the one labor right. Me are all labor rights. Hey. Nothing no sweet me so. Me say. Me don't want nothing to eat. Me don't want no money. Me don't want nothing. Oh, Jesus. Me say everything sweet in me. Me just honey, me syrup, me everything right now. Me well sweet.
No sound like no confused, man.
Lord God, more want my Prime Minister and squeeze him.
So me just want to jump on him back and hold him round his neck, lift him up and throw up and say, goo goo gaga.
Them saying they come a Bronx. Them saying they come a Bronx in September. Me they try find him.
I wish part of Bronx him a come.
I don't even know me they try find a which part.
Me,
Because me
I know
happy
say I walk from the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom of Bronx, because I go there them time there.
Me I go find him.
How we no live at Jamaica? We no live at Jamaica.
Me live at Jamaica, but me I go there. So me know me have to find him.
What's one no attack, so man?
When is when I go up there? When?
Where you put him in our box, sir? Prime Minister clean like Jesus police record. No pipe.
No
Prime
charge.
Minister clean. No
No
charge.
charge. No
We
charge.
don't
No
send a
charge.
foreign to people for incriminate the Prime Minister on it now.
Yeah, who gonna pay for that? Who's gonna pay?
Who has said no charge?
Never work.
Me say no charge.
Sydney, you
Simone
stay,
say no
you stay,
charge.
Sydney.
No charge to the Prime Minister. No
He
charge.
report. He
No
report reading.
charge.
He
report
report
reading.
384,000.
I will tell you
That's
say
a
that.
lot
How will
money.
you get that from? Where you see it? You
384.
see it?
Today
You
can't
need
You
come
see the
spread
report?
no propaganda over here.
You
So
You
we
see the
not
say
report?
buy.
so you don't get no homework.
But I will not spread. I will not spread propaganda.
Are
Because the
you
report not
first?
reach the
Start with
parliament yet.
5. Your
Who no get
leaders
the
are
report?
8.
Still
We
need
have
to
one
fix
at
it.
a time, one at a time. We know we're excited, but one at a time. Keep it
Alright.
orderly.
But no
Sydney.
We're
excited.
excited, but keep it orderly. Make
What
comrades
excited
Sydney
is?
talk. We want talk and make the rest of we talk after.
Intelligent set of people.
Listen, me man. You must learn to read and understand, you know.
Aye.
Imagine, they might tell you about the man, they sit and tell you, say, boy, right now, all right. Politician, different from member of parliament. The people themselves have 8 member of parliament, sitting member of parliament in the house. Which is 8 JLPs there. This is a different story.
Them never said that 8
Look here, when you
politics
tell them
prior
Sydney,
to.
Sydney now come over here so with the
Parliamentarians.
Look
We
here,
are parliamentarians. Go and come
Because
over
you
here.
can't guess you, I beg for your stay, and you shame me.
Politics and sports.
Hold on.
Politics
But
and
read it
sports.
something, man.
Hold on.
Read
You
it.
see, me I beg for your stay at the
Hold
box,
on.
and you come and you shame me.
They read it up.
Politics and
You say
sports.
you shame me with your foolishness and your
All right,
lies.
if me wrong,
Politics
read
and
it.
sports.
If
Can
me
you
wrong,
just
read it
listen
right
to me?
now.
Politics and sports. Listen to me.
If me wrong, read it. Read it right now if me wrong.
We soon read it, man. We soon read
Yes,
it. Just
read it and
relax,
tell me
man.
now. Read it and tell me.
Politics and
Just
sports.
relax.
Me the right answer.
Relax.
Politics and
Read
sports.
it and tell me.
Relax.
Just listen me 1 minute now. Please.
All right, go on.
Just listen me 1 minute.
Yeah, we hear you.
I don't want Sydney to come over here with his foolishness. I don't want Sydney to come over here and spread no propaganda.
Yeah, make him go
the
back to
line.
them live.
Yeah, man,
Sydney
they
is
go
gonna
to
come
them
and
live.
behave that way and
Listen,
spread
labor right,
propaganda.
labor right.
Take him down. Me
Look
and
here,
him stand on one platform with this.
Look here.
Propaganda, read it. Read it up.
Make Sydney go and stay and make a mockery of himself, man.
With
You want to read the paper? Let me read the
God.
paper. Let me read the paper for
God,
Sydney,
we
no
not
man.
run no clown, we not run no circus over here. So
No,
man,
man.
we don't
Make
want no
Sydney
clown.
entertain Sydney with
Make
that.
Sydney stay, man.
Me say, politics and sports. Take me down, please. Take me down. Let me come down.
No, make Sydney take down himself. Sydney,
Me let come down.
respectfully
Sydney
I'm
now
asking
come
you
over
to
here,
get
come
out
down,
of
down,
the
Let me
then-
read the paper
then
for
serious
Sydney, no
go
man.
there.
Make him take down himself. Respectfully
Let me
we're
read the
asking
paper
you to
for
get
Sydney.
out. And
Let
I'm
me read the
sorry.
paper for
Sydney,
Sydney.
we don't want you up here with your propaganda and your foolishness. So it
Sydney.
makes sense to come on.
Yeah,
Please.
but labor right to the easy, no man. Easy, no man. Easy, man.
We don't want him over here with it.
Easy, man. Make him stay, man. May I read
No.
the paper? May I read the paper? May I read the observer?
Make
feed?
her
No.
read fee, man. Make her
Alright,
read
yeah, man,
fee.
read it
Yeah,
and make him hear.
Sydney.
Now, yeah, man. Go
Ma
and read that.
Sydney.
Yeah.
Hear this now, Ma Sydney.
Yeah.
5 PNP, 3 GLP politician report to the Integrity Commission for illicit enrichment. What
All
you
right,
make of that?
politician.
Yes,
Yes, well, I know.
yes.
But if you're a politician, you're not a member of parliament. Me's a
Okay,
politician.
I
me's a
know,
politician.
so I know you know that. So I know you know that.
Yeah, you know
Yeah,
what's
man,
up.
I hate her guns,
Well,
man.
I'm not asking a question. You're not a politician.
I know
you're
you
not
know
a
that.
politician.
He's an activist, man. I know
Well,
you
right,
know
me a
that. Say
politician.
politician different from
We are not,
MP.
you're not politician.
From member of
See,
When
parliament.
you know that.
Me a come down. Me a
Sydney.
come down.
Politician.
No,
Member
no,
of
man. Sydney,
parliament.
when you know that.
Just
When
listen,
you know
just
it's a
listen.
politician
Long
different
time
from
me know that.
MP.
Long
And when you
time.
know that.
Well, I'm not asking a question.
No, man,
Politician
answer
different
this
from
first,
member of
man. When you
parliament.
know it's a politician different from MP.
All right,
When?
now I'll show you. Now I'll show you now. I mean, a long
Sydney,
time
if
me know
you
that.
don't answer your question, then we can't move on.
Long time.
When
me say
is it
people
you
not
know?
hear me. A long time. Me say long
A
time.
long
me know
time,
that.
you know, you never
Yeah.
did a run with the argument. Somebody answer them phone up. You never did a run with the argument for say 8 GLP M. Oh,
Yes,
so
agree with it.
you're willing to withdraw now? True,
No.
in your favor.
Politician different from MP, brother.
Yeah, but
Oh
me
my
ask
God.
you if you
Right,
was
that's
the
it.
one,
See,
one
man.
of them.
Well, I know. How much member of parliament you have in the You know, how much you have over
63,
there?
63.
All right, 63. How much
Yeah.
politician you have?
63, you have one heap of politician.
All right.
You have one heap of politician.
member of parliament come in. One member of parliament come
But
in.
you, Uno, wasn't
Me
the
ask you a
people,
question,
was
well, I'm not breaking
Sydney,
down
stop
to
the
you, man.
foolishness,
How
man.
you get member of parliament?
Yeah, shame me now.
No, me
Yeah,
put
shame
it
me,
to
man.
you.
Right down Sydney. Me not staying on the live with Sydney that talk crap and foolishness. Take him down.
Hey, Labour right, you know, we have to have some tolerance still.
Look at me say take him down.
Sometimes we want a little entertainment.
Thank
We
you.
shouldn't take him
Make
down.
him come down.
That brother.
Me
Yeah,
not
man,
stay upon
come
him
on.
with him.
Come
Come
on.
on.
Hey, you see what?
Oh my God. Me feel sorry for you. Me feel sorry for you.
I think come on, for
sometimes we want
disrespect, he come to
entertainment, man.
disrespect we. After we are celebrating, they come disrespect we. Make
No,
Yeah, he
Sydney
must
go.
spoil the
If
fun.
never
Still, he must spoil
did
the
that
fun.
disrespect was still. Me no hear
He must spoil the
disrespect.
fun. He
Nobody
never did
come
that. He
here
must
press
spoil the fun.
propaganda
He never
card.
come and they go twist him out.
Him always a come with lies. So you
Look
have to
here,
learn, Faith. You
lie
have to
or
learn
not, that's
to
a
know say you're
propaganda. We
Sydney
don't
that.
want it on ya. We don't want it on ya.
You
We
know,
don't
so
want it
Sydney
on
don't really
ya.
understand the whole
Right.
politics.
But the lady right a long time we take down Sydney. We don't have Sydney. We don't know Sydney now go admit nothing. So like the lady right, take down Sydney now and put up somebody else.
man. A part of the game, man. A part of the game.
You have to have a person like that, man.
Yeah, right. There's no game with Sydney.
We
We don't know
not
Sydney
playing no
like
game
God
with
admit
Sydney.
nothing.
Yeah,
We are
but
not
guess
playing
what?
no
But
game
guess
with
what?
Sydney.
We have to
Make
learn
Sydney
to
understand that.
content.
Simple.
Yeah, we take down Sydney, man. Next Sydney go look something. Go
Sydney take them already. Him
eat that
gone,
something,
him gone,
man.
him gone,
Yeah,
him
me glad
gone,
him
him
gone.
gone, him gone.
All right, make we
You man
celebrate
ask
now.
him. Them never know say that, and them man ask him a question and then can't. Some we take too long with Sydney.
It can't answer them
It
questions.
can't
Them
answer.
questions are bigger than Sydney, poor Sydney.
We
That's
don't want
see
it
with
on ya.
Christ, man, we
we
can't
have to
teach
see
Sydney
with him,
nothing.
man.
A bar talk, Sydney the pan. Sydney the pan bar talk.
The lady right, long time to take it down.
Guys, don't go away, you know. Make we start.
A bar talk.
Long time I should have run Sydney, man. I mean, I wonder when I dirty Sydney pan the sado.
About politician different from. Make Sydney go. I will
I
say
know we know that. I know we know that, man. You never know that all the while.
Yes.
Sydney full of shit like crab.
So stone.
What the songwriter say, man? Let no man harm you. Respect the Prime Minister.
Hey, Labour right. Me say this a morning, you know. Me say if
Tell
me
them
did
again,
even get,
songwriter.
if me did even get $1 million
If you
today.
live in a glass house.
You know how me feel good. You
Me
me
say
say
me-
my belly full.
Boy,
Me
my
say if me did get $1 million today, more than feel so good.
Don't show me.
belly full of me
Every time
never
say my
eat.
play there.
Alexander Tucker, if you live in a glass house.
Justice. I'm strong. Stand for the right. When you hear the bell, stand up for justice. Hear the freedom bell. Hear the anthem there.
My Bustamantes.
Childless well. Stand up, Jamaica, when
When
you
you
hear
hear
the
the
bell. Show, am I right? Show, show.
Show off every time.
I know not a real labor right, but I'm not no bell. No, nobody can ring my bell.
When
Why
you
me know my belly no?
politics where your bell there.
Where your belly?
One minute, they want me to ring up my one. Show us.
Alright, can you hear the bell there?
Yeah.
That
sound like money in a cup.
Jamaica.
That sound like money in a cup.
Yeah, man, we are talking about.
Me belly for Jamaica politics.
You never hear the bell now. You never had to ring it right.
Now what you talking about? This
Me
a
belly
bell
for
for two
Jamaica,
great.
but me dey go
This
buy
a
one.
bell go through the whole of the 90s. It go through the whole of from 89, whole of the 90s, all till until now. Where's that?
You know, so me have to last my bell. Me have to last my bell. You know who to give me my bell? one flip-flopper. I joined and give me my bed.
I'm not feeling flavorite tea from me all the while, man.
No,
You
man,
know
I
what
want
time
to laugh
come
because
from me, man,
the
them
girl
take
never
on the
come from
bell.
a real labor right. Because she couldn't be a PNP now.
You know me now, no bell. Where we can get one bell?
Bookstore.
So sell them,
Okay,
sir.
alright.
Them are doing a bell conference.
Me don't know of that.
Yeah, man, you get bill. Every conference you get bill.
Me know, so me never know that. Me never lucky enough to get a bill at conference.
Allah.
No, from me I got a conference, me never get a bill
Me
yet.
never
And me
get
got a
none yet
conference
neither.
all the while.
I mean, I go a conference.
So me don't
and
understand
I
where I
get
go.
paid.
Right now, me a
And
plan
this
for
year,
November.
and me say,
plan
me
for
go buy a
November
bill
right
this year,
now.
me have to go buy a bill this year.
Me don't know if the PNP them feel like we know. But just when
Sydney
they come out to
Sydney
conference
no
and stuff.
shame, you know. If I me like
Why?
Sydney, I would come on the platform, you know.
What that?
Yeah,
So
he
then
come
I'm
to
not
learn,
sure,
but
man.
him too ignorant. Him come for learn, you know. But him too
You have to
ignorant.
see with Sydney, man. Poor Sydney.
Hey, people. Why from Dijon come on from this morning, me I listen come right down. And me there bush and me can't chip in cause you me have somebody I'm a take up. You get to me I say but me I follow on and me love how now move. As a labor right, that's a labor right for vigilant.
Mike,
So me I say,
Actually, I'm here, the Mikey.
yeah man.
Yes, sir.
And they say them a fight for.
Me have
Them a
somebody
fight for Chilani.
me have somebody I'm a take up man, so me have to go in the bush early. So from Dijon come on me up and in the bush, you know.
Them bad like PMP.
Oh!
Yam them.
What for me yam them, you know, see me yam them green, you know, man, I want to you, man. What kind of, they bring no PMP in for me yam, man. For me yam going to pay green, man.
Yo, someone in the chat said, in a Martin Luther voice. Free at last. Thank God Almighty.
Yeah, man, free at last. Dirty drunk, them a come go on like, and them are the thief, you know, man. You see, it and I come call me Prime Minister Robin Hood. Eh? Alibaba and 40 thief. You saw them out of that rank. I mark gold in the Alibaba and the 40 thief because in thief the people them finsack money and all of them things. Yeah, him are the thief.
So, and I hide everything in Switzerland. That's the same thing as Jamaica.
Alright. I know that thing when he got Switzerland like one man I didn't know back in the early 70s when they send me money got Switzerland and not getting the oral weight. You get to me I say? Him money was last in the system and then he turn papa and them have to bury in Ras.
You know why them bury him and I feel live to bear the people.
Guy, me feel.
Because how can you say you love Jamaica? You don't have a house in Jamaica. You don't have nothing for sure, say boy.
Mikey.
Yo.
Me feel happy. Me feel like. Me feel happy, guys. We can't cool down the pressure upon them. We have to keep on turn up.
I know so not happy, man. You know, say from yesterday, from Cliff Hughes, I read out, man. Me I tell you, say my heart just at joy, man. You know, see it. So me love the vibes on I bring on, man.
The best sleep me ever get last night. Me drink one macla water and go me bed.
You know, say true you talk sweetness. And the same thing with me, you know. Me say the best sleep me get last night for a long time. God know, me drop out me sleeping on my settee last night. To the way I'm well rested.
Guys,
You know, so them not sleeping because them say no rest for the wicked. And the whole of the PNP they up all night. Because they can't believe that was the result. After you spend money and bring in all overseas, foreigners. Become embarrassed yourself.
You're the one Colin Campbell. You're the one Colin Campbell come up on Cliff Hughes this morning. Attack. Like him I say, boy. No man, not daytime man. The next one is a politician for a long time and he was a one-time member of parliament up on Mona side there.
Yeah, man.
Yes man, in the park Cliff Hughes. Yes, boy, I never know something about still until me in Park Cliff Hughes today.
That's a reminder.
You understand? So I say, boy, the integrity of them a behave, boy, them like them have forgot dissolve them, virgin. And I must say so, you know.
Wow.
No, we know that. I know we know that. We don't want to hear nothing from them. Let them go. I know them know say for this. They never know that all the while.
Go on, Andrew. Beat and teach. Beat and teach, Andrew. Beat and teach. Watch we and them, man. Let me see what they are going to do.
You know the thing I love about Andrew? You know the thing I love about Andrew? You see, all them all flip up and go and Andrew and pay them. No, man. He not answer them nor nothing. Him just a do. Him just a do what him have to do. Because that thing come here to do, so him just a do him work. Him not pay them no mind. And Mark Golden just a run up and down and a flip up himself. You understand?
You know, say PNP them bipolar.
But we die for them, man.
Them bipolar,
The only
you know?
song right now me can sing
I
for
feel
the
like
five.
most of them in the party trouble from Alzheimer's or some sketch or something. Them bipolar. They don't remember nothing about them party, but they not have the past, you know. Everything a future.
The only song me can sing right now for the five. What a bam bam.
Yeah.
What a bam bam. Me dey wait for the bam
Selector,
bam.
pull it up. Yeah, man. Me say me a stand up out the road Sunday was
Market, you backside, I got twep.
I wonder
The
where
man
we come
shame.
Kelly come with them say. What them
They
in
not
a
have the
meet right now.
argument.
Them in a meet right now, labor writers plan the amount of lie. Someone say no man we can't say so. No man this we have to say.
No man, if you make Peter Philip, if you make Peter Bunting right back at one field. Like when Peter Bunting right, the foolish we can go in the parliament and talk. We have
What
course
a
of delusion and bad too.
What a sitting. Them dopey come out of them skeleton come out of them closet.
What the fuck?
Oh God. Sorry for them. And you still have some people that jump up Sunday, you know? You still have some that jump up Sunday.
Remember me tell you, you know.
No cook, no food and no.
Look here. Look here, there's so much money I got run for them come and meet me Sunday.
And then they have the money for the
Conference I got
election.
full. Me know say say them old politics and still about, you know. When man I get licked for cover me.
Yeah, certainly like a garrison, you know, so that nice.
So don't feel say no, it end. So them conference I go big and everything. Me can't tell you that.
Come on, tap up the live, please. Tap up the live.
Watch out for this. Watch out for this. And share it too. Share the live, people. Share the live. Tap it up and share it. You know, so that the live get the Lily down now. We don't have to send back for Master, man.
You mean send back for Sydney?
We need a little boost up.
We mean send back for Sydney, we don't run him
We
off.
not call him name. Master, man. Send back for him, man.
We don't run him off. But tell you yourself to make the man stage and he was an entertainer.
Him no want to learn.
You can't teach old dog new trick, man.
You know, but they
There's
know.
nothing you can teach Sydney now cool. No, you can't teach a fool yet.
Evelyn.
Yeah, Evelyn. Evelyn Devon.
Yeah. Green. I try to work out with you this morning because I mean that we can't get to join all me want to join the Canadian this morning with you on it and we couldn't get to join it. It's all the one them bias and some of them cranny.
Mr. Devon, hold on, one minute. Guys, me see, I go think some minute drink. I'm gonna drink now. Gonna drink. Hold on, one more time. Good afternoon, one and all.
Good
Marky G
afternoon.
win the mash.
Afternoon. Happy to have you here.
But guys,
What?
this is serious. Hold on, this
I
is
tell you,
serious.
somebody in them glass house with splinter fall down upon them now.
Me say Marky G win the mash.
Guys,
Broke
we
up.
need to run with it. We need to run
No,
with it.
I know the window mash, the whole house crash.
Alright.
We not ease up now, you know. We are pressure them now, you know. We are pressure them now. Me go for the pressure, me like me pressure them, me aside like them. When them see me, them say hide. Me drive up on the spot, and me see people just disappear for the spot, so. They ability to go in the yard.
Well, yesterday me drive up on a spot yesterday, and they would have killed me. Me said they have to stand up strong. They are one man against the world.
Guys, mute on the background and the non-stop, please.
Yeah.
But I'm really happy, man. I would see we have one big PMP. Boy, them love we company, but
Who that?
Salamar.
Hi, Salamar.
Don't you know why?
Invite mute. Nah, yeah.
Maybe in here happening.
Tell them for me, Mike.
Guy, but you know them not ashamed though. Cause all I come in, I come off of social media see time.
Now, man, see what me, Mike. Let him say myself.
Hey, what's up? Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Politics and sport, what going? Yeah, man, I'm here, man.
Salamar.
Yeah, man, I just there and just chipping. I don't know what the talking is all about as yet, so I just pay
You
attention.
don't know what's going in Jamaica?
No. Remember, I said I live in Jamaica, you know? So I just chipping, just reaching and I just chipping for your life.
You know that, right?
All right, politics. You want to talk? Tell him what they want.
Salamar know everything we are going.
No, I go on, man.
No. Believe you me.
All right, the Jamaica Observer headline.
Yeah.
Corruption nightmare. First, 5 PNP, 3 JLP politicians reported to Integrity Commission from illicit
Richness.
enrichment.
Okay.
So that's a one. Yesterday, me now even going on yesterday one, but you must hear about yesterday one.
So you finish. What I'm saying is when it comes to corruption, no matter if a PMP or Labour right now, me that's straight man. I don't believe in nobody to steal from no poor people, nor nobody. I just believe in a people can make a honest life. You understand me? And make poor people feel the blunt of the sufferation from politician. Me that's straight PMP and politics and sport know that. So me that's straight PMP, but me that honest youth. You understand me? Because watch ya. I know politics give me life. And my ambition and pride push me to make my own life to leave Jamaica and can live in America and make achievement from America back home to Jamaica. You understand? So none of them they give me no life.
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold up. When I was saying nobody thief, because we don't have no proof of that. We say nobody thief. But what we just say, I know, them all been campaigning on the Jamaica Labour Party. Say you have 6 enrichment, you have 8 enrichment, and them said all of them is from the Jamaica Labour Party. Them number 1, them jump on Nigeria Clark, same thief up $1 billion in the run of IMF. Number 2, them say government a thief, more money in a share today, so you got 4 bank account. Number 5, you just can't go on and on. It's all about the Jamaica Labour Party, it's about thieving. Now, the real people come out, the Integrity Commission, the IC come out and say, well, the enriched 8 what we talk about is 5 on the PMP side, where them did I said none never upon the side, and 3 on the Jamaica Labour Party side. Which way we can't say the motive as yet because we don't hear the report fully. So with them this a campaign, them did a campaign on the Jamaica Labour Party, beating them, but 8 illicit, this and illicit that.
But never.
So
Devon, you know, and when him Stalamar, what your name? Let me pronounce it good, but not good at pronounce name. You know, all of a sudden, 2 today, from yesterday to today, the PNP has sing a different song.
Oh my God, man.
All of a sudden, everybody are talking about, oh, when anybody in a corruption with no business, corruption is corruption, and couple months for the past couple months ago, leading up to yesterday, PNP
No months, no months. 3 years.
So why all this
3 years.
turn? What I know all this turn around so quick? Because the ball in our court now.
No, teacher. Hold up, teacher. I think I have the answer to that. Them just wake up from them sleep.
No, you know what I'm saying to you. You know, politics and sport can tell you. I always speak politics in the right way I think it's supposed to speak. I don't fight over politics. You understand me? I don't fight over politics. I don't make fit.
We're not fighting.
No labor right because you see me. I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman, and PNP alone can't support me. So I have to have labor right support.
Me too.
It's just summing up on life. See, but nobody can stop me from say PNP.
No, we're not trying to stop you.
No, I'm not saying I try to stop me. Whatever time election call, I'm flying down to Jamaica to vote, and my MP have to continue win. That's all I'm doing.
Which area that?
I have 2 years. I have an MP in St. Catherine and one in Manchester.
But I want you can vote.
Two places you can vote.
No. But I giving both of them support. That's all I do. Who me can vote for them.
I understand that.
We know it's a PNP.
Rewind and come again. I understand that.
That's like a
The one they sold. No, I understand that.
I need to ask a question. So over the years, would have heard that people said PJ are the thiefest when it comes to politics. Not to mention Philip Powell. Not to mention Finsack with Mark Golding. And you said earlier that when it comes to robbing from the poor, you know that. In fact, you know nothing when it comes to thief. But you're a proud, dedicated PNP supporter.
And he said,
so how you work that out?
Well, I'm going to tell you something. I bet if anyone in Jamaica, as a small man right now, or a big man, small man, thief something, you find the police come for you. So why them not go for the politician them? I don't back no form of thief. Both PNP are labor right. I don't back them.
You know a Finsack, don't it?
I hear of Finsack. I don't know nothing about Finsack. I hear of it.
I am pretty sure you're older than me, Stalamar. I'm pretty sure.
No, but I get older than you and you study certain things I don't study, you know. You understand me?
So how is it that you will support a party, but you don't know of, you're trying not to know anything about the party?
The history.
Yeah, so what I'm saying, if I have a son and my son commit a wrong, right, supposed to this one my son and say this is not my son, I have to try to make my son try to be changed from what I'm doing wrong. That's all I'm doing.
Are you just protect it? Are you just protect your son, shield him under your wings?
No. If anything my son them do, I try to make them know the right thing. You understand me?
Have you ever made the PNP know the right thing to say, boy, you created a financial meltdown and you did the biggest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich in the 90s? You ever said that to them?
No, I don't really go that far in politics, in a real boy. To be honest, I don't really go that far.
You're just a surface politician.
What I mean, my brethren, it mean, look here, it mean say, you have to go into the hierarchy, go to the party office and look for the party leader and tell him these things. But even these medium, you can use and talk and tell them, don't listen to it,
No. So whatever you want to say.
This medium is a way of communicate to them too.
All right, you were just talking about 5 somebody and 4 on the side or 2 on the side. That's what you were saying.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
5-3.
Yeah. So you try to leak out to the labor them and tell them say what anybody corrupt or step down, enough run back for politics.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Yeah, man. We do that, man. We do that, man.
Yeah, man. And we are going to do it. We are doing it now too again. Anybody when found corrupt, you don't belong in our politics. PNP are labor right. So
Yeah,
here we
well,
say,
well,
you know,
you
here
say
we
step
say,
down all the while.
I know we can't speak for the rest of people. On
Yeah,
the platform.
we can voice our opinion about them, those still no must have you upset.
Yeah, but at least we are do it.
See?
At least we are do it.
Take
For
for
what it worth,
example.
we are do it. For what it worth, you know, my brother, we are do it. We have voice your opinion and we are make them know so we don't agree. We're not in agreement with corruption. Because corruption costs too much things. Corruption deprive education, it deprive people of basic infrastructures and so forth and so forth and so forth. So
Take for instance Real Read.
yeah,
Look at Real Read.
yeah.
And we leak out. And
We
Real
leak
Read
out.
have to step down.
Well, he got him have to step down, him have to move. Him have to move from the Senate. It's not like Kern Spencer. When Kern Spencer just come out of jail today, and by tomorrow him in a parliament back. He never step down. Him go to parliament right through. Only thing they never run him back 2011. But him go through the whole of the period when him charge. Rural Read is a different case because our Prime Minister asked him to leave and him have to leave. So tell me now, who are the better manager?
Me teacher.
No,
The manager. The better manager is the manager who hold his employees to account.
And that is Michael Andrew Oles.
That's right.
Hold them to my account and move them. Every
Exactly.
single one of them bluffed and move them. And
Let me tell you something.
Oh, comes to well up there. Oh, comes to
Remember, you know, him say anyhow you mix up in it and the police come with the handcuff. Him will take the handcuff from the police and give it to you and say, sit here, put it on.
Look at Andrew Wheatley. Look at Andrew Wheatley.
Stop up the scream, guys. Stop up the scream.
But even so, Andrew Wheatley, a pure
Guys,
propaganda
hold on.
make him reach fame stage.
Hold on. Andrew Wheatley not do nothing wrong. So don't
Exactly what I'm saying.
Them couldn't prove him wrong. Them couldn't prove him wrong.
Okay.
It's just because
propaganda that.
pure
I set up
propaganda.
that.
Philip Powell set him up.
Set him up.
Yeah. Them can't prove some man take anything. Nothing at all. Until today, yeah. Them cannot prove anything.
They move out of the position, don't it?
Devon, you know how much,
That's why I love Andrew.
Let me tell you something, man.
Talk for one day,
They
can't
did it
talk
to
for 3 days.
they set up Andrew Wheatley in order for disable the party and cripple the government. That was the plan.
And it just never worked. Because they went on to win the 2020 general election by a landslide.
Can I show you something again? Floyd Green didn't touch money or anything, but because of the pandemic and the party that he had, and you see what happened, the Prime Minister said no.
Exactly.
With that, so you have to step aside, just step down.
Exactly.
He did.
And he never go with no hard feelings either.
Right, he never go with no hard feelings because he knows that when doing wrong.
Exactly.
So he just in time, he stepped down.
Carl and Marcy and so una believe say Stalamar just surprised when know what go on so.
Stalamar, may I say politics. May I say all of a sudden, what are the guys? Me ask him. Me say, all of a sudden, PNP have amnesia. So them don't know what go on, them don't remember nothing. From yesterday to today. Them just have like a total memory loss gone for them. What is going on?
Yeah, they must suffer from dementia.
And guess what? Tell me what? You know so we different. You know so we welcome them and speak to them intelligent and decent.
Very much
welcome
so.
them and talk to them the right way.
So we have the right leader. We have the right personal lead. We have
that alone. We have the right links. We have the real proof. Them. We have the right clarification.
Yeah, we have a receipt. Them man come out to the receipt.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
I need to ask a question. The Stalamar, all the time when PNP...
Unmute your mic, Stalamar.
So all the time when PNP say Andrew corrupt, the party corrupt, can you now expand on that? What's the corruption behind all of that? More a year.
Stalamar, unmute your mic. Okay.
Indeed.
Yeah, what I was saying no classic because I hear you mention couple, but I never get the whole right, so I want you to where I could have answered.
I'm asking. Yeah. Being that the PNP always a run with it, say Andrew corrupt, the party corrupt, and the worst party this in the history of every party. What is the corruption? That is a fix to us.
Well, as I said, the leader of the party and the MP, them and the hierarchy of PNP maybe know. I'm just a voter, so I don't really know where they see the corruption or where they find it, but they know.
But
you understand me? So that question I have to put to them. I'm just a voter.
But Salamar, you know the thing with me, the problem with me with that. I'm just. Not telling. Mute your mic.
Make him reply to classic. Him a classic attack. Make him reply.
All right. But me just want to say something, see. But go on.
Yeah, go come, man. Make him a classic.
Come on, him respond politically already, man. Him say he's just a voter. The hierarchy of the party would have known because they are the one who discovered the corruption. But they are the ones who are running with it. The party supporters, the voters. They are the ones running with it and then they know the corruption, but them are run with something.
But they have to come with classified information. They have to come with classified information, my brother.
But why not run with it?
I just want to say something here.
When you hear the people on your side as like Andrew corrupt, you ever ask them what is the corruption and why them are run with something where they don't know?
I just want to say something right here. These people build a story, you see? And when them build that story, them tutor them people for repeat it, and don't stop repeat it. Rinse it for all.
Like a hammer.
Get out of it.
If you don't hear me shake on you, like a hammer. The hammer is the hammer hit.
But guys,
them people, don't let it go, just keep beating it. And even the dead, if you have to wake up the dead and convince them, say, so wake up the dead and tell them, say, this is how it go. And
you
don't
remember
let it
Stalamar say,
and they don't mind who they destroy in their way of doing these things.
Classic.
Please remember, say, Stalamar say,
No, listen. If I have a place in Manchester and I vote in Manchester and I live in Kingston, the two MPs mine because I do business in two of them constituency. So two of them is my MP.
I don't understand all the two MPs.
We know how that one they go. We know how that one they go.
So you vote for two of them MPs? No, I vote for one. But if I live in a listen me. If I said I vote in Manchester.
You just can't talk about the secret of Wagwan.
No man, you don't understand nothing. If I vote in Manchester.
No man, you just can't talk about the secret Wagwan.
If I vote in Manchester and I live in Kingston in one of the MP constituency, if they ask me what the MP for the year, I'll tell him.
Look, me hear it before, I would never believe it until you tell me.
Until you say I support it to them.
You just
me hear it already.
I support them. Two of them I support.
Guys, let me try to fix it for him. Him probably say him vote for one, and him LP for buy some vote for the other.
We hear them say they're willing to wake up the dead and vote for and make the dead vote. So
yeah, but guys, you know, I want say a harsh reality where maybe many people don't know. But me know some most labor right we know. You see all this talk about corruption. You know, say corruption no win election or lose election.
Now you want to talk about
corruption does not win or lose election. You see, if it was corruption to make a party win, PNP in only the one term and in 1989. Trust it, because the amount of corruption where the PNP have under them belt, it can draw them down. So corruption, you see this whole talk about corruption and this and that, at the end of the day, it wrong, but trust me, it's a reality. People don't vote on that basis. Trust me. Because if they will vote on the basis, they as me say, PNP is only the one term and that is 1989. They're going to get for the 4th term in the office. Because the amount of corruption.
Brother, let me tell you about one corruption where me know. in the health sector back under freedom rule. Me see doctors where I work for public hospital. I give treatment to somebody outside of the hospital, and in the hospital everything done and them a charge fee. You me tell you? And that's why them say free healthcare couldn't take place because them no say them give the union.
That's why you talk about a spill milk to Wagwan right now in the bus system in the JOTC. That a spill milk to Wagwan in the JOTC business right now. Man, I take out a bus out of depot and I go hostel female friend. I go hostel female comrade.
Okay, so now you know. So now you know.
It can't happen again.
It happen.
It can't happen again. With them a new boss and something come at it now go happen. Because Andrew they go hold them accountable. It can't happen again.
The man who did it, the great man who did it, because the man not afraid of nobody. And that are easy and not savory. The great man who did it, not afraid of no one.
Why you think some people get killed and some people go missing because of that same institution? And them kind of thing there. Because and them kind of corruption there. And that's why crime can end in a Jamaica.
Never, when just say, all them say to them, say, bring on an ID and come collect on a check. And if 3 of them out of the 100 and they come, no come.
Guys, we don't push away. We are talking about the 5. You see how they been on the 8 and the little 6.
Yeah, man, but it's in line, politics. It's in line with what we are saying, man. Corruption, we are dealing with it now.
I'm going to tell you something. Hold up. Listen a second. Listen to what I say to you. I'm tell you, the greatest thing that happening right now, make it stand cramp so, is the decoration of the Prime Minister. It come out. All along you have children. All you have children at 1,000 and you have all overseas integrity. For children, hold up, let me finish. For children at 1,000, come on, man. 3 years of the man a child. Oh, me not we can explain.
Embarrassing.
So let me ask a question.
Hold on,
the question.
Hold on, the classic. Yeah, where Prime Minister said this morning. We tell it table in a parliament and then he will talk about it.
Exactly. Him same anxious table. Yeah.
So my question is this. Talamar, and everybody on the platform, I wanted to answer the question clearly. Cool? You know how many persons in Jamaica would I want $100,000 right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we spend over $5 million to investigate $384,000. How do you honestly feel about such thing?
Rubbish.
Classic.
That's rubbish.
Classic. Satan Campbell say. Classic. Satan Campbell say yesterday say. I fabricate everything I go and not go so. That is what Satan Campbell say.
Come on. All right. We hear what Satan say. How you honestly feel about that? It's just like, all right, for example, I remember one of them big cigarette factory in America spent $10 million to advertise that they gave away $250,000 to charity. No, you see the difference. You see them could have given away $10 million to charity, you know, I don't see a word. And it's just like I see, you know, spending $5 million to investigate $384,000. I still can't match up that still no, because so come like my brain gone away. Because me match up something. 300,000, 67,000 that are 367 plus 11 that are 378. And then someone bank book have $800 in there.
$814, something like that.
$800. So 378 plus 800. So not 3. So how we
dying.
reach 384,000? Where is that the money
You
there?
know, classic. You know, so probably the Integrity Commission need some investigation to go upon them.
On them, I think so strongly.
It may
The
sound
question still stand though.
far fetched, it may sound away, but trust me. Because me
question still
know the
stands.
same question, well on the classic, you see the same question when you were asked, them are a fool. Them must spend sleep out and say about
Robert,
300,000 for spend. Not gonna spend how much million
Jamaican money.
for find out something. Me don't understand that. So you know, really, an investigation really need to run by them people, you know. Maybe we need to call in the Auditor General, who will need to investigate them.
No, man, call, it's a cup. What do you believe say why you there to know about
Hello.
You believe
Hello.
that this will just go down so?
Hello. You hearing me?
Yeah, man.
I think they need to name the investigator who do the investigation, you know. You know why? Me,
So
I
I
wonder.
feel about that $100,000 and can't get about $5 million plus blow up. You know, tell me.
But you know,
Tell me. No feel good.
I'm wondering if it is Mr. Rattengun. Get that investigation posted.
If I the Rattigan, then would I must find something more than that for bring them.
Yeah, exactly.
Me not think I know PNP. Couldn't be one PNP, brother.
Iceberg. Oh.
Something right.
Who find that money?
Something done right.
Who put that money for the
And some
investigation?
serious question you to answer. I still have some serious question to answer. Mr. Mark Golding, the people of Jamaica is demanding that me and the 5 member of parliament include yourself.
Yeah, we never notice the PMP them like, we never notice
That
the
is
PMP.
wanted by the Integrity Commission for illegal enrichment. We need to name them.
Hello.
We know them, so name.
Today is the 10th of September 2024. And member say me tell you no this. Not goal in a part of the 5. Wait till he come out. And then you go see.
Well, the longest river will see the most now, Speedy. So me I
Make we
look
turn and see, man. Me not say nothing, make we turn and see. Make we turn and see, because me I say
them no spoil and dance. Only
Thank you.
appearance.
Boy, them beat with Little 6, them beat with the Prime Minister, no. The Prime Minister can talk, G.
And all
My
of a sudden,
God. Me never know could I survive.
Everybody a walk back on them talk.
Me say me never know could I survive. Me never know could I survive today for that now.
Let me tell you something. If these people had the will to go in a parliament and take out Andrew Nuholness and take him to the town square and hang him, he would have hanged before any investigation come to light.
Man. Yes, man.
You hear me
You
say?
know what surprised them?
Judge, jury, and executioner.
Them what surprise them. Them what surprise them. Them young generation liberator like Uno, with stand up and no fuck, stand up on no foot, stand up like a wall, nah move, nah bound to get shot down out of the sky, on no fly free, on no speak the real things and the right things, I'm on no stand up on the ground and nah
Hey,
move.
Devon.
Me love you.
Devon.
Yes.
The PNP no understand say it's not the GLP like in the 90s this. It's not the GLP.
That me
Like
shit
in the
you
90s when
on.
they used to walk over
a
with
new
my-
generation of
It's a
JP.
new generation of GLP.
Let me tell you something.
Higher level.
What they do not realize is that you have some educated Jamaicans who sit at their desk and while they are doing their lawful job, they must keep them ear to the ground and know everything we are going.
Hey, so Orlando, politics. Politics.
Politics look like him asleep.
Me say me have to share that one with politics. I share with everybody still.
Go ahead.
Hear you.
So you remember the other side. I run and I say, boy, them fire classic from the municipal corporation because in thief money and in this and in that. You remember that thing that them I run around with?
What you mean? Yeah, man.
What if I tell you that I sit on the Finance and Procreation Committee at the same municipal corporation? Would you believe me?
Run your half up.
I remember, you know, they say me thief money, I me this, I me that. And I sit on the committee where handles money and discuss money. Can you imagine that?
The caution, man.
Can you imagine that? Caution, quality, all of
But
them.
me say I get one seat in a clarity.
Let me tell you, the
Can
reason
I
why
tell
they
you?
say these things and get away with it is because uno won't draw them through them court.
It's true.
Like how them love
I
carry
strongly believe so.
everything go a court.
Later, my friends, them, you take care and do it. You do the right thing. You hear? Not big gonna do. And follow it up. I wanna let you go.
We're not drop the ball.
Thank you, man. Thank you. We get help. We're glad we can rest now.
Yeah, man.
Your labor right there can rest now. Me want some rest long time. We're glad we will on one general.
Brother, no, it's not the
one
time to rest. No, it's not the time to rest. No, it's time to steam up the steamroller.
All right.
Rejoice,
All right.
yeah, rejoice, we not rest.
Yeah, boy, me feel good for
And we not rejoice either. We not rejoice. There's no time for rejoicing right now. You know when rejoicing are gonna come?
After the election.
It's when the election come and
we're
gone.
not on target with that, man.
And that man is placed back in his seat to do the job where we rebuild Jamaica and put Jamaica in a good place.
The right place. Content for bring Jamaica the right way.
We want a livable place. We like how they want a livable wage. We want a livable place.
Later.
We don't care about the wages like how we want a livable place.
Yeah.
A livable place we are called for. Because if you have, no matter how much money you have, if you can't live in your house, it don't make no sense.
Guys, when I visit the town, them and look how the town them and expand. Look how I go on in the town them. Maypen,
So classic.
Anderville.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man.
So why they call all name already, or they don't call any name as yet?
No, we not hear no name yet.
Yeah, but why they taking so long to hold the name? Because it's like, you know, people have to know who. You understand me? No matter we're part of the Manchester.
Remember,
you understand me?
when it table in a parliament,
yes, so maybe as we said, you know, you can table in a parliament whatever time. You understand me?
Parliament is in session right now?
No. Parliament is on recess next week.
Or next week?
See, nobody.
So let me ask you one. When are the PNP
Sunday
conference?
Sunday. It starts come out Thursday, you know. For them have a whole heap of days, you know. As usual, you know. But Sunday are the grand finale.
Hey, you see Sunday gone when they have their meeting. I rile them, did I rile up the people, you know, things that them gonna have something to come rejoice about, you know.
Yeah, man. But tell us,
a news headline, them did I look for, you know.
Them lock in our room now, you know. A plan what we say, you know. And some of them I say, no, we are going to say this. And the next one I say, no, we can't say that. We have to say this. Them are contemplate. What we say.
No mind sharp, you see a fight take place in another room there today. No mind sharp, you hear see a fight take place in another room there today.
Boy, I'd love to be a fly on the wall at conference Sunday or even in one of them meeting right now. I'd love to be a fly on the wall to see what I go on and hear where I go on.
Hi, Selena. You are coming out of the box?
You see, right now, then,
And then like I confuse them.
Then confuse and they don't know what to do. What to do.
Let me tell you something. You can't go on telling lies and people, you know, and things that now go turn around and bite you, you know.
Simone, you did it?
Long time now move.
But now I hear from you.
Yeah, man, you know, you make sounds. Yeah, man, I make him like 1 and 2s.
Alright.
Simone, so when you said that, it's sound away, you know.
What kind of weird sound?
Alright.
Let us say liberate a straight talk, people. Liberate no go on, kind of we are straight talk.
So I make little sound, yes?
Oh, little sound. Remember Anthony not talk loud and quiet? And he still a win? And him still a win?
Where is it? That little sound thing there?
Yeah, I make we a win, man.
To them, I listen to news, you know, I tell us, I laugh. Mark Golding said, when we get back in power, we'll make more beaches accessible to Jamaicans. And I say to myself, Mark, remember, say, your company buy beach, you know, brother. PNP sell your company beach, you know, so what you talk about? Tell one beach park will never open.
Brother, let me tell you something. Everything Andrew do, he want emulate, which is not a bad thing. It is not a bad thing. When Andrew step out in class, you know, this man go make somebody, go pay somebody to dress him, you know.
Want him to make a fool of himself
But them dress him good.
Andrew.
Still untidy.
Still chaka.
May I tell you?
Still don't know how to put himself
guys, let me go just go on a quick update then. So, the American Friends of Jamaica just donated $121 million towards burial recovery. So, that is a great, we want a big thank you to the American Friends of Jamaica.
Oh, and that is a grant, not a loan.
Wait, repeat that one.
$21 million. So them fight Andrew Wellness, so Andrew Wellness is getting more strength.
That's the breaking news.
We gonna get a part.
No man, they never realize that Andrew is a seed. So when them throw dirt on him and say them bury him, I plant him for grow.
Yeah, can I say something?
Look here.
The speech of Mark Wallen was gonna make a conference, so they have to change the speech and write a different.
Tear it up.
I know him write it. A bun thing write it.
Yeah, so when they make a conference, so they have to change it, you know, and come different.
No, bunting in a rainfall right now. See, try figure it out.
So they have to come with different speech now. So you know, they have to change it. Because when I campaign pan, he get boss. So different, they have to come different now. Find something else to talk about.
I don't know what kind of different him can come different, you know. They might come and sound like a foolish same way.
Yeah.
So our next joke
just go back to the house.
Our next joke I'm get to the
simple.
Yeah, I'm going to use a classic yet.
So me up on the For You page, and I look on, I listen Caution and in crew. The other day I listen for about 5 minutes, you know, brother. And I just Caution alone attack, you know, you can hear in a voice, you know. You can't, it's like in dead. In dead.
Him come pan read the live this morning too. What me did that pan? I think come somebody just cut.
The man dead in dead.
Them get a strokes, man. Them get a strokes.
You hear in that background. One arm move, one right, so one arm move. That's a load up. I tell you, Jaja, man, stress out, man. Everybody over there stress out. When you look and you see how much upon him over there.
Classic.
19
Before
people.
we know, say, my taxi driver. You remember when he used to come our life, say, M1 must have 3 Airbnb.
Cha.
How much car in a van at that time we a taxi.
and then what hit again, you know, is that
hold on, him have a fleet of taxi politics.
What?
Him have a fleet of taxi vehicle.
I want to call somebody taxi, my drive.
Okay. Somebody taxi, my drive.
Brother.
So yes, when I scroll through again, I go say Reedy. I was on a skirt, 44 people over Reedy. When I normally have all 44 million. I say, oh God, brother. That thing water down, brother.
Brother,
then I'm
not
talking point.
Don't underestimate them people there, you know. They can have one lick out in the bush and an Airbnb that, you know.
Where?
Yeah, man. You never know, say
taxi in Kingston.
You never know, say people set up tent in a woodland and call it Airbnb.
Okay.
Oh, so don't underestimate.
What a 5 house and jelly. What is this? A jelly and a jelly, no, a jelly.
I'll tell you something, jail people them not have to come for life, go hype. You hear somebody from the JP come and say, look at road me sweet for my money. We don't have to come for hype there.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. Me know one PNP enclave, you see? Where a few JLP.
Pat more a spy, more over here spy.
You always over here, man, we.
Yeah, you hear me? Me know one PNP enclave where a few JLP get the
Mr.
chance.
Patmore, we are invited, sir. Company.
A few JLP get the chance.
Mr. Portmore, you need to
One
go
space
tell
they
us
can
about the
come in, you know.
party person from the party, including the leader.
Big up
What more
yourself.
now come?
Him there, do.
Yes, from go tell us about the leader and the next four, including
In the listen.
No,
Just come and tell us.
easy.
You want them, you know, so you know them.
No, Nathaniel, easy.
Wanna make classic finishing point, man, because Pat more now come. So now make us see it, bread. Make classic finish where man say.
Don't talk, man. We don't
Oh,
talk.
you don't? Okay, you finish.
Just like you know that little joke there, understand?
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
none
Pat
now
more
go
now
on for
go come
them.
because he
Them
go afraid
stress out.
relax
Them are
about the
mad.
10 by 10 ply house when go build.
Pat more, me just see him as a,
No,
as
but
a,
you know,
as one
let
of
me
the.
ask a question though. And we asked the mayor this the other day on the interview. Any structure that is being built, should it get approval from the municipal corporation?
Exactly.
And he did say yes, anything where you put up needs to get approval. The question is now, for them pit toilet there and them they call board or something there. Has he gotten approval from the municipal corporation?
Which one of the
This in the Trelawney Municipal Corporation.
Exactly, Paul. Big up yourself. We not hide where we do, Paul. We not hide where we do. If a road we sweep, we gonna come and say a road we sweep and I get we honest one. We not gonna tell no lie about we own it.
Somebody needs to call the municipal corporation or call Cliff Hughes and bring up that point. We're not going to make any illegal structures.
Wait.
Wickedness, man.
Hello.
Cause you can't turn in them that house, you know.
Yeah, so that means you need to do it the right way, because it cannot be that if one disaster struck and it tear down the house and kill off the people, them unalive the people, them everybody will run to the government for assistance when this man do an illegal structure and unalive the people, them.
You know what I'm gonna rate it again? Him never do it before now when him a see. So and I like him a do it out and heart.
Where is
Can I say something here?
Cadet, we are calling on you because you say you're the man of enemy to call the municipal corporation in Trelawney and investigate if he has gotten the approval from the municipal corporation to build those structures.
Listen, classic.
Yeah.
10 by 10 what Pat more they talk about for bill. My husband come from Trelawney. A hut. You know the little hut them when the young people them dig their yam and put it. Or something like that. Who can turn in that?
No. It bigger than that. What you talk about?
Okay.
I him a fight the youth to have the
my son and
sell the banister them and them something that too.
There are certain
want the
things
youth to pull down the
let go.
cliff.
There are things on enough to let go. We want to know if the man get approval, because if he not get approval, it is an illegal structure.
It's illegal.
Oh, yeah. Guys.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm saying we need to call the municipal corporation and ask what is happening.
Classic, we are gearing a task there. We are gearing a task there as a man.
No, give me that task. I'm busy, brother.
As a man, we're in the coast.
Right now, as we're talking.
This man, you do if you need that Stalamar for your money, Stalamar with that game.
Come on. Listen, man. When somebody doing a contribution to somebody, brethren, them do it to somebody who need it. You're not supposed to fight then somebody who will give somebody.
Salamar, you see the post?
No. Me not see no house still. No, me did see like Patmore pose up something. It don't matter, anybody. You see, if I have a sheet as ink over your head more than I have nothing, you know.
No, in them time.
Salamar.
You can get some
No.
In this age and time, let me ask you a question. Let me ask Talamar a question.
Nothing still.
Talamar, in this age and time in Jamaica, where people they move up in a life, would you want to give somebody something like that where you know say at the end of the day, when rain fall, breeze come blow, it blow down, and you have to go start all over again? Come on, do it. When you do it from your heart, do it good and
See it.
done.
I want somebody. We need somebody to put it up and make me see it.
Listen, me. Who tell you that breeze is gonna blow it down? I tell you something. A performer of a sheet.
Look here.
Let's come back with the sheet as an argument.
Look
Listen,
here.
you see, house.
I sit now chicken yam enough.
You see, house. There's one thing with me. I never try to criticize people about house, you know, because you see, a lot of people live in mansion and don't care about the liquor man who live under one chapalin. So if somebody take with chapalin over your head.
Turning I oh, so that we are talking about you.
No man can build that for my property. No man can build that for my property.
Nobody can build that. Give me.
When person used to live before?
No man can build that for
Which
my property.
person? I write that constituency saying they're going to give people out.
Well, you see, he have a kind heart. If that him have, he have a kind heart to can give something.
No,
I'm not talking crap. No, listen.
Nobody could give me that Stalamar.
You have people who have, hold on. You have people who have millions. You have people who have millions. This, that I would never take up and that my spoon of water gives to a poor.
So and we understand that. And we understand that.
If I try to give somebody something, everybody's supposed to say, boy, watch at the end of the day, I try. Maybe
look
not
here,
do it.
Look here.
Try, man. Come on.
Salamar, look here. Him not, what him giving, him is a catch to it. Him a look vote. Him not read from him heart. Him a look vote. Him a look something in return.
Guys.
Which is vote.
Guys. I think what Salamar say is true. The man give something, but we know say him a look something in return.
Exactly.
But the thing about it is, the thing about it is, if you're giving something, just give it from your heart and don't criticize others who are trying to give because them criticize the Prime Minister about the concrete house them we might get.
Look on them good house there.
Them good house.
Them talk all kind of things.
Hold on, guys. Second down. When we get to understand, you see, those persons know say the government them with a hit them out, so race him around and a bill fool and people them.
Yeah.
Classic. Politics. Can get a chance? No, come on, Amuda.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
All right. So, for me personally, I don't have a problem with a man building something and give to somebody, right? But when you blatantly come out to say, you know, you're running a competition. With the government, right? Because the government will not be able to compete with you. Think about what you're saying. This tells me you're not doing this as a genuine thing. But you're going inside here.
I see ribbon cutting for real, man.
But all they had to do is make recommendation to.
Guys, make DB finish though.
Yeah, make DB finish. Me have to laugh now.
But make DB finish.
Yeah, so I am saying, when you come out and to say that you're running a competition with the government, right? It means that you're still at the age where you're saying.
DB, sorry for cut you. Just a clarity. Him said that?
Yes, he did say that.
Him said we run a competition with the government?
Hold on, brother.
Listen. May I try? Me really want to say that.
Hold on. He said the government will not be able to compete with this project because they are looking to build a certain amount of house within a certain period of time which the government will not be able to keep up with. Now, what you're telling me is that you're still in the age where you're saying whatever it takes for us to be in power, you deem it as best for Jamaica. So even if it take an old touch, an old something where you just catch together without proper thinking, without thinking about the future, without looking to the well-being of the person.
Guys,
right?
let's go at 50K. Tap up the screen.
You just decide, say, me I go give somebody something and show the government, say, then can't compete with me with this. Because you know the government now go build something like that. What the government is going to build is more sturdier, a better structure, well put together, something that is approved. And as Classic said, is it that these structures are approved by parish council? And we need to know. Because since you are in a competition with the government, we need to know. And who in a parish council sign off on it? And whether, and not only that, and not only that, hold on, Nathaniel. Hold on a minute, Nathaniel, please. And not only that, are these houses properly insulated? Because it's not just building a board structure. No. In this time and age, is it properly insulated?
Yeah, well, I want to ask you something. Who I don't know the era. Who are the MP for that era, or the council, or whatever?
There's no MP there right now.
We don't have the MP. It was the name Dalman Fillmore. Philbert. She was.
Yeah, but Brethren, when I call a spade, no, Brethren. That person that live in a constituency from the MP was an MP for a minute term. And this man come and say, boy, watch, I have given somebody something where the MP no see the council no see it.
Stop the foolishness. Please,
no, give the man respect, man.
No, man. With all due respect here, stop the foolishness.
What the foolishness, big man?
You know the community. You know what the MP do from what she don't know when she was there.
Listen, I never said the
MP. So you don't know, my brother. You need to talk on facts, man, and not fiction.
Carl Lewis, let me respond.
Wait, no, that's why I ask you, where is it here right now?
Hold on, let me respond to that. Let me respond to that. That is down in Chilana, right? Mm-hmm. And what this looked like to me is like the man that was in Kingston said that the mayor of Kingston not doing anything for the street people and take up the spoiled food and go give the mad people them. So to show up himself, to say him do something for people. Him said the mayor now do nothing, so him take up the spoiled food and go give it to the people them. Instead of calling me and say, look, I have a contribution can make. I want you to run a test, get your man them, run a test on this. Ensure that this is a proper food I'm giving to the people them. And take up the spoiled food and give the people them. That's what it look like. You're running competition, so you just decide to whatever you have in your hand, you just have to and give them.
Because you just want to win.
You just want to win. That's how it's
You want to win.
You know the thing happening in Jamaica is like people put politics in everything.
Mikey, you want to come on, I'm going to come out and make you come on, Mikey.
No, but I'm not doing a style mark. I could have waited. No. That's what I'm saying. No. I'm a rush to put politics.
Politics and sport. Listen what I'm saying. Me have a reason for a certain topic on my heart. Me a youth, I love help people. And no matter which part of the fence you come from, Labour right or PMP, I love stand up in somebody's life to see somebody can uplift themselves. You understand me? Stand up in somebody's life. You understand me? See where somebody can uplift themselves. You understand? So it just say if you call me right now and say, boy, you do something, and me can give you $1, to make your life better, or send a quarter, $1 US come give you, I'm gonna give it to you, because watch you put $1 on $2, you must have $3. So me give you a step a little bit further.
But Stella, let me go back to the point. When he said that the government will not be able to compete with it, tell me, how do you view that statement, that the government will not be able to compete with it?
Well, at the end of the day, him know free speech because he's a politician. You understand me? So he know the speech what he make. I could never know what free speech a commander. You understand me? But what I'm saying about help, brethren, a lots of we upon this platform right now. Lots of we hate people, lots of we still bad mind people, lots of we mean to people. But you still criticize.
No. I'm not gonna make you get rid of one day. And
criticize who can give.
Hold on, Stella. Meaningful criticism doesn't mean grudgeful and covetous and bad mind. Think about it. You said that we do everything we are politicized, right? Don't you think under the condition of the statement that the man made, it was a political move and a political argument?
Listen, I'll tell you something. You see, no, politician.
Just
let me answer you. Let me answer you.
Answer the question about Chilani, you know, because the brother we are talking, I understand about Chilani, you know, my youth.
Well, I'm not come from Chilani, no room boy.
But if you don't know what you talk about, you talk something you don't know about.
Hold on, I'm not talking about.
Make you answer the question and then we give you a chance. Yeah, Mikey? Make you answer the question and then we give you a chance.
Yeah, finish what you said. Where you said, look, while.
Yeah, I was saying that based on the condition of the statement that he made, right? And said he's competing with the government. Isn't that a political argument?
Yeah, but listen, everything people are doing right now, once you're in politics, is a political thing you do right now. Once you're in politics, all who do in politics right now, who not even vote, but they're willing to vote for PMP or they're willing to vote for Labour, right? Then come and talk for them party.
Hold on, Nathaniel. So me hand over to Mikey right after this. So what you're saying, what you said before, that everything is about politics, is mean that you cannot denounce the fact that the man is doing it under the motivation of politics, which he now make a political blunder, and you would have to agree with that. Mikey, over to you.
Okay, but I take in and Stella Mar not really understand you really go on. Stella Mar.
Yes, Mike.
Pat Moore was a Labourite, working alongside Mama D. Right? When he never has his way, he run independent.
And he couldn't get in.
Okay, when he couldn't get in way. Alright, Mama D used to get some poor relief houses for the people in South Chilani. Which is those house have 2-bedroom and bathroom and everything in it. Pat Moore was the one who said, Mama D, I give the house to young people, and if you send the house to Manchester. Right?
Chilani people don't need house.
Chilani people don't need house. So what I'm saying to you now, if you don't understand certain things, you cannot comment on it, because Pat Moore come now, I build some little 10 slim, I build 10 by 10 house. 10 by 10 bedroom with outside tiling.